how to delete one single photo in a carousel post. Hi everyone, my name is Saad, and in this video we are going to explore how we can edit the carousel post by deleting one single photo in a carousel. So here's what you can do. First of all, just go to your profile from the bottom right, and once you are in your profile, just select the carousel from where you want to delete that single post or single picture. So click here, and let's say I want to delete this particular photo. So all I have to do is just click on these three dots right at the corner. And once we are in here, we cannot delete the picture from here because this option deletes the whole carousel. I don't want that. I want to edit or delete one single picture, right? So just click on this edit option. And once you are in this edit option, you can tag people, you can edit all text, you can just edit the caption if you want, but also you can delete this single picture right here at the corner at the bottom left. So just click here, click on delete, and you can restore the deleted file within 30 days as well. So click on delete, and to confirm the changes, just click on the tick icon right at the top. And that's it. This is how you can remove one single picture in a carousel post. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Also, if you want to learn more amazing stuff on Instagram, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.